What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Just Face Kick Spot, back with another video. On today, where this is day 3. I bet you guys are gonna be like, okay, day 1 and 2 were boring. Mary Hoolgy, kind of were, except when I went to the beach, but I didn't really film it because like it just like rained and everything, and I guess we just wanted to go down there because we haven't done anything. But we just came back from this one church that we went to, so we had to walk there and walk back. I don't know what we're gonna do today. We may do. We have to do something. Like maybe go down to the pool. Maybe. The beach. I don't know. I don't know. But we gotta do something. But I know one thing. Like I don't know. I think maybe Tuesday we're going mini golfing. So I'm gonna record that. We're going shopping soon. I'm pretty sure. And I don't know. We might go to a water park, like the water park is down here. I hope we do. Cause I need something like really cool to do. But definitely gonna go to the malls, the outlets. So when those vlogs come up, that'll be better. But when we go down to Atlanta, I'm pretty sure we'll do more stuff because we're not gonna be there as long. Like shopping. I don't know what we're doing down in Atlanta. But if I have to. Also, I was looking at this one club that's actually like around here. It's like a teen club or whatever. I was looking at it, and the rules of the club seem so like you know how I always wear like bandana and stuff like that. Only reason I got my noise because I just came from church. I didn't want to wear a bandana there. But I always wear bandanas. Like the rules are over here saying like no white tees, no bandanas, like a whole lot of like other like rules that like teens wear, stuff like that, I guess. But I don't know. I was thinking about trying to go there, but probably not worth it. But we'll see. If I do go, I'll definitely bring the camera along and just record a little bit, I guess. But if they let me bring it in. If they don't, then hey. But I'm really just chilling right here out on the balcony. I've been out here for a cool like 20 minutes now, just sitting here on my phone. But that's really all I gotta say for this little part right here. I don't know why I'm still talking, but let's go do something. Let's get it. All right, so we're about to go eat. I'm getting ready right now. Putting his shoes on. I'm about to put my shoes on right now. Yeah. So yeah, I'm about to rock the Pantone 9s. What? Let me get this thing out. With the headband, so I'm rocking the Pantone 9s. Pantone headband. Tommy shirt and some Aeropostale jeans. And my little brother has on the Crimson 3s. Yeah. So we're about to get in the car and we will be there soon. I might record like in there. I don't know. But let's go.
have no soul.
Going down.
I'm gonna phone out of the ocean.
I always think there's somebody just staring at us.
Me too.
Right, bro. I walked it like I was walking around the corner.
I thought it was Dad when we came back and he was just staring at us. Like,
It was like 2 something in the morning.
I got scared.
And then I came in here to do something. And I came around the corner, I thought someone was in here.
Yeah, it's
I left it sitting on the table. I must have put it down to get my glasses.
So are we gonna wait till Dad gets back to go to the beach?
No, you guys can go. Just, you're not going in the water, right? What are you gonna do?
I was gonna get in the water.
Are there lifeguards down there?
I'm my own lifeguard.
I'm
my own lifeguard.
Because
My own lifeguard.
you know, like, I'm not going down there. You guys gotta be careful.
Yeah. So we're gonna go down. So you're not going?
To the bookstore.
No.
All day fishes.
Alright. Well, Darren,
no.
shall we?
How do you think? Should I go?
Oh boy. So we're thinking about going down to the beach again, and this lighting is horrible. Hold up. So we're thinking about going down to the beach. We may not, but yeah, if we do, I'll bring the camera this time. But not in the water, cause I don't feel safe doing it, cause I'm maybe drop it. But we're thinking about doing that. So if we go down there, I'll bring the camera with me. So we'll see. But I'll be back. All right. So me and my little brother are back. We're about to go down to the game room and do something. Look how far we are. But we're about to go do something. And we'll catch you guys down there.
Take that.
I opened the door for you.
I won.
What?
I won.
You won in pool, not foosball.
I still won.
Alright, you two. So I need to make this quick because my camera's actually about to die. But hope you guys on like day 3 finally did something. Me and my little brother went down, played foosball and pool. We didn't get a lot of pool because my camera was like dying, and I'm running out of space on my SD card. So I need her to make this quick so I'm not missing anything, any footage. There's my little brother over there. Anything to say?
No.
Alright.
It's Sunday, my dudes.
So yeah, that's gonna be it. Day 4 tomorrow. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm gone.